In mind when you have an on-field injury, you or somebody else has an injury. Hi, I'm Dr. Apurva Kadam Thakkar from Team Joints and Motions, and today we are going to talk about a small simple topic about what you are supposed to do if you have an injury or anybody else has an injury. So whenever you have an injury or anybody else falls down while you are playing anything, make sure you do not try to drag the person. Do not try to move and check अरे कितना लगा है, देखते हैं कितना लगा है, ऐसे नहीं करना है. Make the person comfortable, make some air, do not gather around the person. These are the few things that everybody tells, जब भी बोलते हैं हाँ ये तो पता है, but when actually this happens, everybody gathers around and the patient or the person feels suffocated and the person feels very uncomfortable. So make sure you're giving him some enough air and make sure you're making him lie down and do not move the person. Suppose for example he has an injury on the knee, make sure that you do not move the knee joint to check whether he has a lot of injury or no. Make sure you call out for help and ask a concerned person if there is any doctor or any physiotherapist nearby to make sure that he is there. If they are not available, make sure that if there is an injury on the knee, you keep the knee flat, or if there is injury on the back, do not move the person's back. Okay, you can just make the person shift on a stretcher or shift on some area and on a bed or something where you can carry him and take him to the nearby hospital or a doctor. For example, if the patient person does not have any injury on the back and if he has pain on the knee, then you can gradually make the person stand, but he should not put any weight on the knee. Okay, so the main thing is कौन सा भी बॉडी पार्ट है जहाँ पे इंजरी लगी हुई है, बाहर से एक्सटर्नल इंजरी है या द पर्सन टेल्स यू कि यहाँ पे दुख रहा है, मेक श्योर यू डू नॉट मूव द बॉडी पार्ट. द मेन रीजन इज दैट इफ यू मूव द जॉइंट देयर मे बी डिसलोकेशन. अगर माइनर इंजरी है तो वो मेजर इंजरी होगा, बिकॉज आप चेक करने जाओगे तो वो अगर कुछ माइनर क्रैक है तो वो पूरा मिलके मेजर फ्रैक्चर हो सकता है. सो मेक श्योर यू डू नॉट मूव. Secondly, give him, if he is conscious, give him some water, make him comfortable. If he has fallen unconscious, make sure you elevate his legs so that the blood pressure थोड़ा normalize हो जाए. And अगर बाकी सब the person tells you no, I am all fine and I feel fine and he is walking around comfortably, then you can make sure that you just apply some ice pack. Make sure अगर कुछ swelling है तो वो थोड़ा settle हो जाए and then थोड़ा icing वगैरह करके if you have any spray, local ointment वो लगा के, if he wants to go back to play, if there is no physiotherapist around, tape the joint. Like अगर crepe bandage है तो basic थोड़ा support देके then the person can go back to play. Okay, so main important thing is that do not move the injured portion. If the person is unconscious, do not give him water when he is unconscious. If he is conscious, if he asks for it, give him little water. Elevate his legs so that the blood pressure does not drop. And if the person seems okay, if there is no major injury, थोड़ा swelling लग रहा है, तो उसको हम थोड़ा icing करके crepe bandage थोड़ा support दे सकते हैं. And if then crepe bandage लगा के and या tape लगा के, then the person can go back to playing. If one thing that I missed, that if there is immediate swelling, you can understand that it can be a possibility of a fracture. So in that case, या फिर अगर बहुत ज़्यादा swelling है, so it can be a major ligament या muscle tear. So in this case, do not encourage the person, or you, if yourself are the person, do not go back to play. It can cause more damage. So make sure that you keep these things in mind so that you do not cause a major injury out of a minor injury. Stay safe and keep playing.